Dreaming of a fresh start in a new country? What if moving abroad came with exciting perks like cash incentives or startup support? Let's dive into the top 10 countries that are paying people to move. First up, Spain's Entrepreneur Visa. Spain welcomes startups with financial incentives. In villages like Ponga, couples can receive $3,000, with additional bonuses if they start a family. Tempting, right? Next, Japan's Regional Revitalization Program offers up to $10,000 to attract people to its scenic countryside. A one-year visa adds flexibility to explore new opportunities. Over in New Zealand, the Global Impact Visa supports entrepreneurs. Although a rumored $160,000 incentive was debunked, it remains a hotspot for innovators. Love Italy? Some municipalities, like Puglia, grant up to $30,000 for renovating abandoned homes, turning dreams into reality. In South Korea, teaching English is a lucrative opportunity with high pay, free housing, and bonuses perfect for expats. Austria's Red White Red Card program offers financial support to skilled workers relocating to boost employment. Chile's Startup Chile program is ideal for entrepreneurs, with grants of up to $40,000 to kickstart ventures. Through Denmark's Startup Denmark program, startups can receive up to $50,000 plus enjoy the country's unmatched quality of life. In Switzerland, certain towns offer young families cash incentives of up to $27,000 to address population decline. And in Ireland, entrepreneurs benefit from low taxes and startup support programs with $1,200 in relocation incentives. Whether you're an entrepreneur, teacher, or adventurer, these countries are rolling out the red carpet. Which destination will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you next time.